There are 15 websites you can use to make easy money daily. And the last one pays the most. Number 1, Google Opinion Rewards. With this, you can make money online doing surveys for Google. And getting started is super easy. You simply download the app on your phone, answer a few questions about yourself. You'll then start getting notified every time a survey is ready for you to take. And when you get paid, it goes straight to a PayPal account. Number 2, Enroll. This is a user testing website that allows you to make easy money testing websites, mobile apps, and things like that. The concept is very simple. Join the website as a tester and get paid for taking usability tests and providing feedback. A quick, easy test will earn you about 50 cents to $2 per test, and the more complex tests will earn you about $10 per test. This pays not that bad, but the ones later on the list pays a lot more. Number 3 is Second to None. This website will pay you to eat and shop. After you sign up, you can be hired on as a mystery shopper contractor, and you can make upwards of $20 per hour as a mystery shopper. Number 4, FOAP. This website pays you for your regular photos and videos. After you sign up, you're able to sell any of your photos and videos to brands, agencies, and anybody else who want to buy them, and they will share the profit with you 50-50. We still got a lot more to cover, so follow for part 2.